Diploma, Research and Development Lead at Urosurge Private Limited, Bangalore. Urosurge is a startup located at the IT capital Bangalore. We aim at the continuous innovation research in the field of urology devices. Especially our innovations spread across the development of Class 1, Class 2, Class 3 urology devices. We work closely with the surgeons and engineers to develop the urology devices and bring the devices to the market. We have been using this 3DEXPERIENCE SOLIDWORKS from last 1.5 years for our design needs.
Hi, I'm Urosurge, prototype engineer at Urosurge Private Limited. 3DEXPERIENCE platform is a perfect platform to collaborate with our colleagues, which helped us in avoiding the real-time practical issues.
At Urosurge, we are committed to empower our products with futuristic designs. That's why we turn to Conceptia for their amazing product development solutions. Thank you, Conceptia, for taking the healthcare product designs to the next level.